Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And in today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and track your Shopify sales. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So in the upper right corner, you want to go ahead and click the login button, login, and now you'll be greeted by the home page where at the left side of the screen we can see all the sections we can access. And here we have the home section, orders, products, and so on, everything that we need. And now we can get started. So basically guys, how are we going to be tracking our sales? Well, it's using the orders option right here. So using orders guys, we can go and track all the orders that we have. So as you can see guys, to use the orders options, you need to have a premium plan. So if you do not have one, you can click the select plan option and select what plan you want to use. And after selecting your plan, you can get started with tracking your orders right here. So as you can see, all your orders are going to be right here appearing, either they're pending or finished and so on. So this is where you'll be able to keep a track of all the sales that you have made using the orders right here. So you can go ahead and categorize them, make a table, doesn't matter, you can do whatever, and this is where you'll be able to find all the sales you had. But basically guys, that's how you can do it, and this is the only option. You can add some apps that you want for manually tracking and automatic tracking for your sales, but they're not going to work as well just by using the order section right here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.